electric vehicles and hybrid vehicles. First, I am going to create the empathy map. For that, I am going to start with the says fuel prices are too high. I need more economic options. Fuel prices are more high because fuel is taken from the ground by digging, but the electric source is not easy to produce by using solar turbines, natural water like flow of water on the dams. We can produce electricity freely, and we can reduce efficient amount of cost of buying fuel rather than buying this fuel. And the people does the research in EV and HV because the fossil fuel we get from ground by mining is very harmful to the environment. We all go on individual transport, which create such a lot of pollution, which destroys the environmental and surroundings. By using EVs and HVs, we can reduce it up to maximum level, because EV and HV won't create any such kind of pollution, because of that people does some research on that. People thinks EVs and HVs might reduce the daily cost. It is very, very important point, because as I said in this, EV and HV might reduce the daily cost because the electricity we get from naturally from sunlight from electric generator. Such kind of fuel is very, very low compared to fossil fuels, and the people feel hopefully it's cheaper of the range of maintenance is compared to fuel engine is very, very less, because fuel engines are problematic but more efficient, but electrical motors are very, very simple compared to fuel engine and fuel engine. Activity 2, I am going to put the table on problem statement. First, I am going to speak on context. When fuel cost is high, environmental awareness increases. This statement says that when fuel price is increasing, the fuel we take from the ground is by digging. When the fuel is exhausted, example fossil, when the fuel is exhausted, there won't be any fossil fuels in the land to take and use as fuel. It creates a big environmental effect to the soil by mining, digging. It creates soil pollution. Problem: high fuel efficiency pollution and traffic related stresses. By using petrol and diesel, we create more pollution, and nearing it we get more problems for us, also to the environment unknowingly. Field traffic stress due to this, and alternatives use public transport cycle, and using those public transports and cycles, mainly public transports, we all use individual vehicles. For that, instead of that, we need to join together. When we go to any schools or companies, we will reduce such major amount of pollution which mixed in the air, and we save the environment. When we go on cycles, we do regular exercise, which we will maintain our health good and perfect when we use cycle. And customer problem, urban commercial consumer. In urban areas, surrounding will be agriculture. In there we use this kind of harmful petrol and diesel engine. Instead of that, we use electric and hybrid engine, which creates a sense among those people who does not know those things, and also they will get impressed why this kind of engines does not affect the nature. Emotional impact, the frustration, anxiety and guilt due to using those fuels like petrol and diesel. We get anxiety, frustration and guilt of destroying the environment by ourselves in our own hands. Alternative shortcomings in lack of the disadvantages are lack of convenience and flexibility. We are our body is always drawn to be in a comfort position. We need to come out of that, and we need to work for keep the environment safe. Not to impact to reduces when we use electric vehicle and electric hybrid vehicle, we reduce CO2 by 4.6 meter tons EV adoption. By EV adoption, we use 4.6 tons of CO2 gas, which is harmful to the environment. And I am going to put a sample on this topic. Substitute. I am going to substitute petrol engine and
Ideation process. Based on the ideation process, I use just cap of food for getting the better idea of the main facts.
Substitute. I am going to replace petrol engine with the electric motor. As I said before, instead of using petrol engine, we need to add electrical motor for ourselves and the environmental. If we pollute the environment, it will affect us. And use regenerative braking from motorsport techniques. For regenerative batteries, regenerative braking system, which can regenerate the energy again and again to avoid external use of any other fuels. Put on another use EV batteries as home backup power. In our home, our current is gone. We use generators which runs on diesel, etc. But we can use it on EV itself to give good efficiency as it is in diesel and petrol, and also it won't affect the reverse. We use EV batteries for energy storage after vehicle life. After the EV vehicle life is gone, we have EV batteries which we are going to grow, but we can reuse those batteries and we can use it as an efficient way for keeping our environmental safe. We need to combine solar and electric vehicles, which creates electricity from sunlight, which we get daily naturally from the sun. So we no need to charge or create any source from heating. By use heating, we produce electricity in boilers or turbines and power plants. But instead of that, we use solar. We can also get electricity naturally. Modified. We design the lighter glass and the aerodynamics. Aerodynamics is one of the main important thing for any kind of vehicles. In EV, we are going to design a light-based design, which creates more speed for the vehicle and more comfortable sharp edge design. Remove tailplane emission. Tailplane emission from petrol engines are the major issue we saw. So we need to remove the tailplane emission. For that, we need to use EV and hybrid, which won't create any tailplane emission. Hybrid vehicles will create, but not comparatively less compared to petrol. Activity 4, feasibility assignment. I will get a feasibility assignment on the topic of electric vehicle and hybrid vehicles. Technical feasibility. Batteries and battery and charging infrastructure are advancing rapidly. The feasibility this is a future because they are every scientist and everyone are concentrating on this particular thing, because almost daily the batteries and charging is improving daily in the industry. So we need to this is good feasibility for the legal feasibility, each emission and environmental emission. It won't even legally affect any environment and cause pollution. So this is a legal feasibility of using electric vehicles and hybrid. Time feasibility, commercial deployment feasibility in 1 to 2 years for in fast moving world, we need to everyone thinking we need to travel from one place to another place from very fast. So we need to be going after 1 to 2 years. The commercial prototype in electric vehicle, it can overcome the speed of petrol vehicle. They are going to do a prototype based on this time feasibility. And also economical feasibility. Initial cost before I say the initial cost of electric vehicle is somewhat high than the buying petrol engine, but economical feasibility will reduce to save the environment for long-term saving convenience. And operational feasibility can be integrated with smart grid and renewable energy. As I said before, we are going to inbuild a grid of solar to get energy from the sun. Activity 5, I am going to create a prototyping tables for the electric vehicles and choose a prototyping method. Digital prototyping with CAD and simulation. Prototyping, I am going to give a product which is convenient and comfort to the people. In that I am going to use CAD simulators to draw a design of electric vehicles and hybrid vehicles. Using CAD and gather feedback for engineers and users. The feedback is very, very important. After doing the prototype or even having an idea, we need to ask the feedback to the person whoever using it or whoever knows the ideas about it. They can give the feedback. They can give any kind of problems or any kind of changing the structure, design, etc. So gathering feedback is very important. Create a prototype. 3D is modeling of 2D and HV. Create a model. We need to using the design. We need to create a model of a 3D engine or 3D vehicle, and we need to use 3D. Although 3D printing small models, we can show it as a model to the customers and to the students who have no awareness about these electric vehicles and hybrid vehicles. This is one of the most important things in future. Recreate agreement. Adjust battery space design. These are the components which based on electric vehicles and hybrid vehicles. We need to adjust those battery size. Before we have big batteries for the engine. Now we are going to do it on small, adjusting the size, space, range and design. Creating a comfortable size, comfortable battery, comfortable space for the driver, and also giving a small size of battery, good range and design. Activity 6, I am going to create a user testing table on electric vehicles and hybrid vehicles. First, recruit participants, daily customers, alerts, students. As we said, the students who know about this who are going to the daily customer who are going to observe those knowledge from the electric vehicles and EVs and HVs. The daily customers who is going to be a students of the electric vehicles and HV, they are going to know a lot of things about HV and EV. When we go to buy a product, we will search more things about this related to that. So we know knowledge about electric vehicles and hybrid vehicles. This is a statement. Analyze feedback. Look for the pain points to feedback. This is the most important thing. I have heard many times. Electric vehicles won't use enough energy compared to petrol. Electric vehicles won't reach powerful in charging. It will take more time, 10 hours, 12 hours. We cannot charge it and we cannot drive for longer distance. But we are going to analyze those feedback and we are going to give a successful and problem solving ideas, and we are going to solve those problems and we are going to use it in the future. Until future testing session, test simulations, feedback session. Whatever product we are getting, we goes on testing. So we are going to test this in safety, by the factors of safety, speed, endurance, efficiency. For testing it, we are going to simulation test race, and also improve based on findings. Finding and gathering more things will improve the knowledge in electric vehicles and hybrid vehicles. Activity 7, utilization and analyze user feedback. Improve user interface and life. We need to improve battery life. As I said before, petrol engine is more efficient, but we are going to improve the battery life. We are going to work and and continuously work and is going to be effective for using instead of petrol engine. Just remains to benchmark with other EVs and HVs. Also, when we finish our HV and EV vehicles, we need to compare with not only with petrol and diesel, we need to compare other EVs and hybrid vehicles. We also compare to this, we will get a good electric vehicle. We need to benchmark our electric vehicle improvements, focus on range and raise the charging. We need more range instead of charging again and again for the longer period. We need more range. Improve range charging and efficiency, just gathering feedback, update design and repeat. As I said, we need to increase the range instead of charging, and we need to give for giving more efficiency. Test gathering, we need to test. We need to test whatever test is there. We need to test it for the customer safety, and feedback is one of the main thing. What the customer is giving, we need to improve that frequently, and also updating design. We should not stay in the single design. We need to change the algorithmic designs every time, and we need to repeat those things for bringing EVs and HVs instead of using petrol and diesel. Brainstorm and generate ideas and enhance battery life, reduce cost, improvements, and smart features. We need to reduce cost of the vehicle first, and we need to increase the battery life. We need to increase the convenience, efficiency, comfortable. We need to make the customer comfortable, and we need to build some smart features like automatic, etc. Document changes, maintain log of design. We need to maintain a design. We need to maintain a design updates every time. Of the plan, create the revised prototypes. Use new lightweight materials. Nowadays, comparatively, there are two aluminum is very lightweight. We can use aluminum frame for which is also water resistant against